Hi, third grade. Today is the big day. We are finishing up Unit 9 and getting ready to take our assessment today. So let's get ready. A, R, car, R. O, R, horn, or. E, R, her, I, R, bird, U, R, burn, A, R, beggar, O, R, doctor, A, R, warm, or. O, R, worm, STLE, castle, soul. Nice job. All right, now if you are at home, I want you to grab a blank sheet of paper. If you're at school, I need you to get out your slate, dry erase marker, and eraser. What I'm going to hold up is a list of words. Some are vowel consonant E words, some are 111 words, some have that R controlled syllable exception. Let's take a look at them and repeat. Fire, stir, fur, hurry, blur, star, stare, worry, store, and blare. Okay, what I want you to do is set a timer for 5 minutes. And in that 5 minutes, what you're going to do is try to take as many words as you can in that time and attach a suffix. And if you're not in school, your suffix frames are right here on the left-hand side of me to look at on your screen. So for example, what suffix could I add to the word fire to make a new word? Yeah, I could do firing, right? So remember, fire is what kind of syllable? It's a vowel consonant E. And am I attaching a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? If I do firing, vowel. So remember, when you're writing your new word, you have to remember to follow the rules. Drop the E and then attach your suffix. And you just need to spell them. You don't need to mark them. Okay, if you have a 111 word like stir, and you want to do yesterday I stirred the pot of soup, remember if you're attaching a vowel suffix to a 111 word, you have to double that consonant. Okay, and you're just writing the new word. So go ahead and set a timer, and we'll see if you think of some of the same words that I am going to think of. Go ahead. Okay, hopefully you took your 5 minutes. Let's see if you came up with any of the same words that I did. For fur, I did furry. Did you double the R if you did furry? Should have. For hurry, look what I did. Hurried. Change the Y to an I and add ED. Blur, I just wanted to add a consonant suffix so I didn't have to change anything to my base word. Starry, it's a 111 word. I doubled that R and added my vowel suffix Y. I did staring, dropped the E before attaching a vowel suffix. Worrying, I didn't change the Y to an I this time because you don't want two I's in a row. I did storing, dropped the E. And I did blared, dropped the E and added ED. All right, good work with that. All right, now it's time to take out your composition books and flip to the very back. Page 78 and 79 is where you need to turn to. You're going to write today's date at the top and test for unit number 9. Okay, again, that's on page 78 and 79. Get the date and unit 9 at the top. Okay, and get ready for sound number 1. Do your best, and please, please, please use your tools. Sound number 1 is Say it. Go ahead and write everything that says Move over to sound number 2. Or. Say it. Or. Next row, number 3. Are. Are. And sound 4. Soul. Say it. Soul. Okay, down to sound-alike word number 1. The first word is heard. I heard the good news. Just spell it. Heard. Number 2, bury. Did you bury the treasure? Bury. Next row, sound-alike word number 3 is warn. I must warn you about the danger. Warn. And number 4, worn. Those clothes are worn out. Okay, move down to the word section. Your first word is thunder. Say it. Thunder. I heard a loud clap of thunder during the storm. Thunder. Spell it and mark it. If you want to get all the points, you have to scoop the syllables. If there are any suffixes, circle them. If you have to double any letters, put a star above. And you have to mark the R-controlled syllables the way that we've been learning. Okay, so word number 1 again was thunder. Spell it and mark it. Okay, move over to number 2. Sturdy. Say it. Sturdy. The table was very sturdy and didn't wobble. Sturdy. Spell it and mark it. Next row, number 3. Popular. Say it. Popular. Steph Curry is a popular basketball player. Popular. Number 4. Flavorful. Flavorful. The cake my mom baked was very flavorful. And the last word. Stirring. Stirring. The chef was stirring the pot of soup. Stir, stirring. Okay, move on over to page 79 for your first sentence. Mrs. Parks was hurrying to give her ticket to the conductor. Again, Mrs. Parks was hurrying to give her ticket to the conductor. One last time. Mrs. Parks was hurrying to give her ticket to the conductor. You will be getting a point for the trick word Mrs. and for the word hurrying, if you spell it right, ticket, and conductor. So that one is worth 4 points. Be very careful with those words. Mrs. Parks was hurrying to give her ticket to the conductor. Check for capitalization, punctuation, and please scoop it into phrases. Now on to sentence number 2. The instructor was thirsty for water. That's it. The instructor was thirsty for water. You will be getting a point for spelling the word instructor right, thirsty, and the trick word water. So make sure you're using your tools, especially on those words. The instructor was thirsty for water. And once again, check for capitalization, punctuation, and scoop it up. All right, third grade, great work on Unit 9. I'll see you back for Unit 10.